this is something that is very very easy to see year round in Tuscany, in Umbria, Lazio. It is like a citadel, like a little town on the rock, built on the rock. And you, if I have well understood, the first day you told us that if we are in God, in that unity of God, we are like in a fortress.
Yes.
Yes. So, and I tried to find in English, I went to the dictionary in order to understand if I'm right, so because I'm a scholar, so I study. And I've seen that you can use also the word citadel to say fortress.
Really?
Yes. And maybe it's more like a castle, something like this. But we can, maybe I'm forcing a bit the meaning, using a bit of Italian, but I think that in this climate I can do this. And so we can consider a citadel, like we say in Italian, like a little city. So, and you mentioned also that this kind of citadel or fortress is something that is inclusive, not exclusive. So we can understand the citadel, the little city, the fortress in the unity of God, like a city where people can enter.
Yes, but and, it took a lot.
Yes, so I think that the experience that we are living in these days is something like that, to live in the unity of God. And this is, and also in the gospel, there is we can find that the house has to be built upon the rock, and the rock is the Word of God. So this is a sign of our unity, of our willingness to stay in the Word of God in order to be forever friends and to be inclusive and make unity with us and with everybody.
Thank you very much.
And then, in order to express that, also with everybody of our Muslim friends, brothers and sisters, we have a little gift for everybody. So, and also, of course, for you, Mohammed. And this is a book in order we can take notes. And this, there is also,
Sophia.
Yes, the brand of Sophia. So you are Sophia. Okay? Thank you very much.
Personally, I have a little gift for Manas.
Oh, thank you.
It's from Pope Francis.
Oh, thank you.
I were with Pope Francis, and this is for Manas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. And for the the study of the Paradise of Chiara, this book in English, Paradise Reflection on Chiara Lubic's Mystical Journey. It's a new book in United States, but I think it's important for deep and enter in this mystical experience of Chiara.
For me or Manas?
For
The two of them.
Thank you very much. She will be very happy.
Okay, thank you.
The last proposal before lunch. Can we take a picture all together, because in the afternoon you are going and also Piero won't be with us anymore. So probably we can all take a picture looking from the back of the hall. Probably this is the best place, this portion.